News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert weather.
The moisture continues. If you take a peek outside your window in valley locations right now, you'll likely see rain falling down. We are seeing widespread rain across those valley locations, a little bit stronger in the portions of the Western Treasure Valley. Over in the Magic Valley, we're seeing lighter rain, but if we zoom in on some of those higher concentrations, you'll see that includes Caldwell, it includes Melba and Murphy. That's where we're seeing those higher rain totals right now. So that's where the rain is falling, and we did see snowfall as well in those mountain locations. This is the view from Tamarack throughout the day today. They picked up about 4 inches of fresh snow so far, and that looks to continue as we go into the evening hours. Part of the reason why we expect this moisture to continue is because we have reinforcing moisture moving in from the Pacific, and you'll see that this is an atmospheric river. And notice where this atmospheric river is located, right? It's in the middle of the ocean, and it's actually right between this low pressure. The low pressure spins counterclockwise, and the high pressure spins clockwise. So between those two, the air funneling together is right where that atmospheric river is. So that's why we're seeing the moisture being funneled right to that direction. So depending on how those centers of pressure move, changes where the moisture goes. So for our low pressure, that's going to continue to move east. That's what's going to be changing the direction of the moisture. And you'll see at this time in the overnight hours tonight, we'll continue to see that moisture stay from the west. However, as we go into tomorrow, that low pressure deepens a little bit more. And then we'll see that moisture move in more from the south. So that means portions of southern and eastern Idaho are going to see those higher precipitation totals as we go into tomorrow. Then that low pressure continues to work its way east and out of the area. So for now, we still have that moisture moving in from the Pacific, and we expect that to stay rain for valley locations through this evening in the next few hours, and we expect snow in those mountain areas as well. We get a little bit of clearing as we go late into tonight and into tomorrow morning. You'll see right around 7:30 we start to see that moisture move in from the south, right? So that's where we'll see those higher concentrations move in. As we go into Saturday night, you'll see that starts to be a rain-snow mix around the Magic Valley area. And then later in the evening, it transitions to snow. Meanwhile, back in the Treasure Valley, we see a bit of clearing for your New Year's Eve plans, which is great news. I think it may even clear a little bit earlier than that. But then we start to see more dry conditions finally after such a busy stretch. So for the Magic Valley area, we will see that start out as a rain-snow mix and then switch to snow in the afternoon and evening hours. Now, if we go over to the Central Mountains, again, we're expecting more of that snow there. Broadly in this area, about 2 to 4 inches. And if we go to the West Central Mountains, now for tomorrow, we're not expecting much more new snow, but we did see roughly 4 inches for some of those Western Central Mountain areas. Treasure Valley areas are going to be seeing temperatures near 40, which is why we're expecting a lot of our precipitation to stay as rain, though it may start out a little bit as snow as we go into the morning hours, but then we do dry out coming Sunday, New Year's Day, and then we expect to start to cool down as we go into next week before more snow works its way back into the forecast. We'll be right back after this.